Big goals fail, not because you're lazy, but because your brain hates pressure. So today we're discussing 3 points using the mini habits method. Point number 1, make the habit so small that it feels very simple. 1 push-up, 1 sentence, 2 minutes. Your brain doesn't resist tiny actions, it barely notices them. Point number 2, consistency matters more than intensity. Doing something small every day beats doing something big once a week. Tiny habits keep the streak alive and momentum quietly builds. Point number 3, let success be automatic. When the goal is small, you win every time. And winning daily trains your brain to show up again tomorrow. Start very small, grow naturally. That's how real habits stick. Thanks for watching. And if you want more simple ideas that bring clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.